Hey there, it's Darla, your crafty yarn owl. I just wanted to do an official review on the hooks that I got from Amazon on the weekend. I will put the link below and let's get started. First of all, they come in this beautiful case. This case smells like leather. I don't know if it is leather, but it smells like it. It's a zippered case. When you open it up, it's like a velvety. It's very soft. Behind the hooks as well, it's like a velvety material. Here are the hooks. They are size, starting with a B, which is a 2 millimeter. They go to 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, and then the J hook, which is a 6 millimeter. They're all their own separate color. I'll take one out and show you. The handles are made of kind of a rubbery material, so they're not really that hard under your fingers like a plastic would be. The hooks, I believe, are stainless steel. The hooks themselves are really nice where they're not jagged or anything. They're very smooth, and they seem to have a deep enough indent that holds the yarn. It doesn't slip out of the hook that easily. I used these hooks already, and they work very well. The handles have grips, and they're shaped so that it's easy to hold. I myself don't hold the hook like a pencil, but you could use these for that. I hold it more like, I guess like a knife. I'm not sure, something like that. And they're not heavy at all. They're not really light. They don't slip out of your hand when you're working with them. I am actually very, very pleased with these. I ordered them from Amazon Friday night, and I had them here in Winnipeg by Sunday. The estimated delivery was Monday, but I got them Sunday, and I was very happy with that. They sent me an email to tell me they're becoming Sunday. So I was quite impressed. So I did not have a favorite hook before. This is my favorite. So I'll just show you a little piece that I worked up with the 5.5 millimeter. This one, which is brown. I had worked this up, and this yarn is Bernat Premium. I had to think. It's kind of a little fuzzy. The hook did not catch on the yarn where it would kind of throw you off. The yarn stayed on the hook as I was crocheting, and it worked out really well. I mean, I really, really like these. They're easy to work with. I find they are. That is my honest opinion. I am not affiliated with Amazon in any way. I don't sell goods on there. I'm not, I don't represent any items that they sell on there. I'm just giving you my honest review of something that I ordered from there recently. I did a review on their website when they sent me an email asking me to on my last purchase. I don't think my name shows up, but I gave them 5 stars and told them I'm very pleased with my order and very pleased with delivery. So yeah, that is my review. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.